Turmeric milk, a golden elixir for health and wellness. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, is a traditional Ayurvedic drink that has been praised for its numerous health benefits. This potent beverage combines the earthy goodness of turmeric with the richness of milk, creating a natural remedy that has been passed down for generations. In this article, we'll dive deep into the world of turmeric milk. We'll explore what makes this golden drink so special and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine for better health. Let's get started. What is turmeric milk? Turmeric milk is a warm beverage made by mixing turmeric powder with milk. It can also include other ingredients like black pepper, ginger, cinnamon, honey, and ghee, depending on personal preferences. The result is a flavorful drink that's not only comforting but also packs an impressive range of health benefits. Turmeric, or curcuma longa, is a bright yellow spice that belongs to the ginger family. It has been used in India for thousands of years as both a spice and medicinal herb. The primary active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Milk acts as the base, providing creaminess and essential nutrients like calcium, vitamin D, and protein. When combined, turmeric and milk form a powerful health-boosting duo. Why should you drink turmeric milk? The popularity of turmeric milk isn't just due to its taste. The health benefits are significant. Here's a look at why you should consider adding turmeric milk to your diet. Anti-inflammatory properties. One of the biggest advantages of turmeric milk is its anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to a range of diseases, from heart disease to arthritis. Curcumin in turmeric helps in reducing inflammation at the molecular level, making turmeric milk an excellent drink for anyone suffering from joint pain or inflammation. Rich in antioxidants, curcumin is also a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants protect your body from free radicals, which can cause oxidative damage and lead to aging and various diseases. Regularly drinking turmeric milk helps in fighting these harmful molecules, promoting overall well-being and longevity. Boosts immunity. Turmeric is renowned for its immune-boosting abilities. Consuming turmeric milk during the cold and flu season can help your body fight off infections. The antimicrobial and antiviral properties of turmeric make it an excellent natural remedy for staying healthy. Promotes better sleep. Warm turmeric milk is a natural sleep aid. Milk contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps promote sleep by increasing the production of serotonin and melatonin. Drinking turmeric milk before bedtime helps relax the body and mind, leading to a more restful night's sleep. Aids in digestion. Turmeric has long been used in traditional medicine for improving digestion. It stimulates the production of bile, which aids in digesting fat. For those dealing with indigestion or bloating, a cup of turmeric milk can provide relief. Promotes healthy skin. Due to its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties, turmeric is often used as a remedy for various skin issues. Drinking turmeric milk regularly can help promote glowing skin, prevent acne, and even treat skin conditions like eczema. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Health Calb, for more health tips and remedies. Who should drink turmeric milk? Turmeric milk is generally safe for most people, but it can be especially beneficial for certain groups. People with joint pain or arthritis. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric milk is highly recommended for those suffering from joint pain or arthritis. Curcumin has been shown to improve symptoms of osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Those looking to improve immunity. If you're someone who frequently catches colds or other infections, turmeric milk can help strengthen your immune system, making you less susceptible to common illnesses. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts. For athletes or individuals engaging in regular physical activity, turmeric milk can aid in muscle recovery. The anti-inflammatory effects help reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery time. Individuals seeking natural remedies for better sleep. People struggling with insomnia or disturbed sleep can find turmeric milk helpful in inducing better sleep. Those suffering from digestive issues. Turmeric's ability to aid digestion makes this drink a good option for people who often experience bloating, indigestion, or acid reflux. Timing plays a role in maximizing the benefits of turmeric milk. Here are some optimal times to enjoy this beverage. Before bed. As mentioned earlier, turmeric milk promotes better sleep. Drinking it 30 minutes before bed can help you wind down and prepare for a restful night. The warm milk and the calming effects of turmeric work together to relax your body and mind. After meals. Consuming turmeric milk after meals can aid in digestion. If you've had a particularly heavy or greasy meal, a cup of this drink can help ease bloating and improve digestion. During cold or flu season. When you're feeling under the weather or during flu season, turmeric milk can give your immune system the boost it needs to ward off infections. Drink it regularly to keep your body strong and resilient. Post-workout. For athletes and fitness enthusiasts, turmeric milk can be consumed after workouts to help reduce muscle soreness and promote faster recovery. The origins of turmeric milk can be traced back to Ayurvedic medicine in India. Ayurveda, a traditional system of medicine that dates back over 5,000 years, focuses on the balance between the body, mind, and spirit. Turmeric has been a cornerstone of this system due to its numerous healing properties. In India, turmeric milk, or haldi doodh, has been used as a home remedy for everything from colds to sore throats and digestive issues. Over time, this golden beverage has gained popularity worldwide, especially in Western countries, as a trendy and beneficial drink. Now that we know all the incredible benefits of turmeric milk, let's explore how to make it. The recipe is simple and you can customize it to suit your taste. Basic ingredients: 1 cup of milk, dairy or plant-based like almond or coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or fresh turmeric root, grated, a pinch of black pepper to enhance the absorption of curcumin. Optional, 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Optional, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon or ginger powder for added flavor. Optional, 1 teaspoon of ghee for richness and additional health benefits. Steps. 1. Heat the milk. In a small pot, gently heat the milk over low to medium heat. Be careful not to boil the milk as this can change its taste. 1. Add turmeric and spices. Stir in the turmeric powder, black pepper, and any other optional spices like cinnamon or ginger. Let the mixture simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. 1. Sweeten. If desired, add honey or maple syrup to sweeten the drink. 1. Serve warm. Pour the turmeric milk into a mug and enjoy it warm. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Health Calp for more wellness tips and healthy recipes. Customization tips, plant-based options. If you prefer plant-based milk, almond, coconut, or oat milk are great choices. These options also pair well with the flavor of turmeric. Adding ghee. Adding a teaspoon of ghee, clarified butter, can boost the nutritional value of your turmeric milk. Ghee is rich in healthy fats and complements the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric. Boosting curcumin, absorption. Always add black pepper to your turmeric milk. Piperine, a compound found in black pepper, increases the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Turmeric milk is a time-tested remedy that has stood the test of time due to its immense health benefits. Whether you're looking to boost immunity, improve digestion, promote sleep, or simply enjoy a warm and comforting beverage, turmeric milk can be a wonderful addition to your daily routine. With its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune-boosting properties, turmeric milk truly earns its title as a golden elixir. So the next time you're looking for a natural remedy to improve your health, turn to this delicious and nourishing drink. Try it today and experience the benefits for yourself. Remember to like this video and subscribe to Health Calp for more health tips, remedies, and wellness insights. Stay healthy and take care.